Welcome back, and today we're going to be playing some PBS Kids. Odd Squad. You're going to be playing some Odd Squad. Actually, I don't have one glasses and only that.
Greetings, soon to be Odd Squad.
Geez, that's loud. Okay, but guys, there it is. My hair cutters. Do you think that looks like me? Okay, I think you do. Okay. I'm like more of this type. Wait, why did my face change? I'll be that. Let's go on.
Next step, grow your uniform. You heard me right. Grow your uniform.
I want to
First,
be.
choose the department you'd like to be in. Odd Squad Mobile Unit.
Yeah.
To grow your uniform, fill the bucket with exactly. There are 4 quarts. 4 quarts make 1 gallon. That was too much water. 1, 2, 3, 4 quarts make 1 gallon. There goes the uniform seed. That is your new uniform. Wear it well. Your agent needs a gadget. Click or tap the A. 1.
There.
Now you can use your gadget in an odd emergency simulation. Move your agent up and down to avoid the oddness.
Okay, guys. Oh, there he is. Look. Right over there. Gotta keep running. Gotta run, run, run. Run. Run, my little agent. Bang. Oh, I hate that sound. Hey, Osmo, where are you? Aren't you supposed to be near me? Like, where are you?
To defeat the biggest oddness of all, you need to add more pieces to your gadget. Look at the
We gotta get some pieces for our gadget.
first missing number, and then the next missing number, until all the missing numbers are filled in.
We need an 8. See, 5, 6, 7, and then we need an 8. Come on, let's use this jetpack. Get the jetpack. We can use that. Yes, 8. 9. Now we need 9. Where's the 9? Osmo! Osmo, come pick me up. Wow. Yes, and they put me a 9 there. Thanks. Now we need that 10 again. Wish you can, like, go back. But, hey, we need Osmo. There's Osmo. Pow!
That is some next level oddness. You need to add more pieces to your
18. We need 18. Let me get Osmo again. 18. We need 19. Where's the 19? You can jump scare me, right? But why is it so glitchy? It says it's so glitchy on my webcam thing. Oh well. But, come on guys, we can do this. Okay, we need 20. We need 20. Come on, we need the 20. We need that jetpack. There it is. Go get it. Got it. Pow! We need 17. 17. 17. We need a 17. There's the 17. Go get it. 16. Wow. Now we just need a 15. Get that. 15. Okay, now let's go to games. Huh. Videos? OddTube? Season 2, Season 1? Look at that. This is like YouTube OddTube, yeah. I wish I could upload on OddTube, but come on, let's go to the games. Wait, no. I think I saw a link on OddTube. Good Run Season 2. Ozmovie and Dashboard. Go. There we are. I haven't played this yet. 1544, 1853, 1910, 1987, 2020. 1544, 1853, 1910, 1987, 2020. Nice. What is that? But come on, what do I do? Oh, we can go this way. Must be a fish. Ooh, nice. Must be an ant. Okay, let's go this way. This is cool. I thought there was another game. Let's close this. Let's try Down the Tubes. That seems fun. But wait, guys. Let's go OddTube. OddTube. Where are we? Wait. What? We do. Wow. Yeah, nobody wins that one. Nope. And thank you. Thank you. Easy win, but. I wonder. I want to explore the van, and geez, this van is on. Holy crap. Home. We should include the new ones. New play agent account. No. New game play now. Videos. Games. Cases on vision danger. Sector 21.
Okay, look, it's kind of use your elbow something.
Okay.
It's a very big deal. It's a mission in Sector 21, the biggest, oddest, most unexplored area in the world.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, pretty big deal. And we need you to go there and find where a bunch of different creatures are hiding.
Oh, okay. I'll bring him back.
Sector 21. Press here to get started. You're in the forest of Sector 21. Your mission is to find one creature. Let's look at the map to see where it might be hiding. Tap this button to open your map. This is your map. It shows you where things are. This is where you are right now. This is where we think a creature is hiding. Look at the map to find a way to get to the creature. This is the part of the map called a key. It tells you what different things on the map mean. This means trees and plants. This means rocks. This is a landmark. A landmark is something big you see that helps you find something else that is nearby.
Okay, we need to look.
Check it out.
Okay.
The map is always here.
Let me go. Okay, we can go there and there. Then we can go down there and there. Good. Okay.
This is your map. It shows
Let's
you
do
where
this, but how do we move? There's wads.
tap the ground to move around.
Oh.
This is your creature find name. When you think you're near a creature, use the find name to call it out of its hiding place.
I think there might be a creature.
First, get close to where the creature is hiding. I think you're too far away.
Oh, we're already over there. Wow. That's quick. Okay, we want to make it up there.
Look in front of the rainbow tree. Swanzo Bonzo. 2. That's some smooth creature finding.
There we go.
Swanzo Bonzo's cry tears of delicious low-fat strawberry yogurt.
Got it.
You're in the forest of Sector 21. Your mission is to find 2 creatures.
Why is it
Let's
so
look at the
long?
map to see where they might be hiding.
I'm way down there. Okay, we gotta go to the sun statue so we can go just up there.
Go check it out.
Why is it so laggy, guys? How is my character? Where is my character? How is he over there? Okay, guys, that'll do it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, turn on post notifications, and bye.